welcome to my channel. This is where I do hair tutorials, teach you the do's and don'ts about hair, and explain to you why certain techniques are not working for your hair. I am a professional hairstylist in the wedding industry for over 10 years. I feel like I would know a few things that you could benefit from.
Memory, talk to me.
Using the tip of the comb, draw a line down the center and use your other hand to separate what is in the comb from the rest of the hair. Section the top of your hair using a clip, then section ear to ear using another clip. Divide what's left and start curling with a 1-inch curling iron away from the face.
I hate you 'cause you're probably right. But I forget when she gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died.
Notice the hair spirals to the end of the iron and is not piled on top of each other. Using a metal duckbill clip, wrap 3 of the curls around your finger and pin.
My love, waste of my love. In my mind, I'm the guy who never really said an easy goodbye. Always wait till it's too late. Just let it happen, leave it all up to fate. But there is a part of me, the memories are smart in me, telling me, begging me to listen to myself and let me be free. I don't wanna, I don't need.
Rolling the hair and letting it cool in the pins gives more bounce to the curls. At the crown, pull small sections straight up and back home at the base of the hair. Do the corners so you don't look like a cone head.
It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. Waste of my love.
Once everything is curled and pinned, spray it with a medium hold hairspray.
So while my hair is setting, I'm going to take these hair extensions and I'm going to start curling them. And they are a shade lighter because I kind of want it to look ombre-y, highlighted. My natural hair is very dark, it's almost black, and then these are from Luxie Hair, and I believe they're a level 2, color 2 in their real hair collection. Here are the 3 hair extensions that I curled. One of them has the 2 clips, and then the other 3 clips on them. I don't know if you can see that.
Make sure to snap open the clips before putting them in your hair.
Move on, just do better, 'cause you're probably right. Kinda wanna understand what you mean when you say her and me. We never ever should have played it this real. But I forget when she gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love.
Measure where your clips will sit, backcomb those areas, and slide that extension in. Now smooth over your crown. Now don't worry, you can go back and make it bigger later.
There is a waste of my love. Waste of my love. So there is a waste of my love.
Use hairspray and section the front of your hair into rows. Then take a fine-tooth comb and smooth the front down and tuck it behind your ears. Spray that down, and now you can adjust how much volume you need to add to the crown and the back of the head. Do the same on the other side, making sure you use the fine-tooth comb and you spray in rows to really give your style some hold. And there you have it, a hairstyle that is popular with lots of brides right now. It's soft, red carpet inspired, and perfect for any event. You can change it up by adding a pretty little bow.
I like it because it matches my sweater and it's got a little bit of an embellishment and it has the gold, which is going with my little bit of a gold and pink theme. So the way you would put that in is you would lightly take those pieces that you took behind your ear, have them trail to the back.
Pull some pieces up for a bit more volume that you lost, and ta-da! An instant update to the style that we just learned.
Thank you so much for watching this video. So that was 2 really beautiful looks with the same hairstyle that you can do on yourself. I have another video that's linked to this one that helps you to spice things up a little bit more and make it a little bit more fun. It includes like colors and spraying and stuff like that. So make sure you watch that. And as always, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so that you know when I have a new video up, and make sure you comment down below to let me know what else you'd like to see, or if you have general questions, or if you just want to say hi. So that's it. Make sure you watch the next video.